when you hear the word Kobe, you related to hard work, you dedicated to the Mamba mentality, you dedicated to someone who never gave up till the very last second. See, Pelé has that same branding, but when it comes to, this guy Conor McGregor, he's just a marketer. More than a fighter, there are better fighters than Conor. He is not the best in the world. But when you talk about UFC, he's one of the first few names that pops up. Because that's the level of branding and a good amount of skill that gets you. But even back in the days when Pelé was playing, branding and all this marketing was not to that level. Pelé was actually the first global superstar who made way for all this branding.
It was associated, right? Like the number 10 started being associated to Pelé as well, because that's how much of an impact he had with his game, but also the fact that he had as a person, that he, like, the number was associated to him. They're like, they see 10, they're like, Pelé. And the also, like, they were able to remember him, and like everywhere in the world, they knew him, right?